car tire inflator. There's a brand for it. I'll put links in description. So comes with a really nice holder. Okay, let's see what's inside this pocket. The hose. So nice that there's a long hose. We're going to go fill up our tire. I have Suburban big tires. That'll be a good test for it. Okay, comes with a plug from the car. There's this kind of plug also. And it will fill up the bowl. Comes with the fuse. And there's other inflators. Beautiful, those are always good. Adapters. Okay, let's open this up. Box it real quick. This is a nice fit. I like it that it comes with the case, and it's padded case, so it's protected on the bottom, on the side as well, so I can have it in the car in case I need to inflate tires or any other like bicycles balls. Wow, this looks really big, so I think it'll be powerful. There's a charger, USB-C plug for this charger, and on and off maybe. Yep, press on. There's a indicator, looks like batteries. I really like the display. Okay, let's. Oh, car. Then there's 1, 2, 3. So the first one for the car, and then the PSI. Ooh, I love it. It's so fun to touch and click. It's like a touch screen. Quick attachment goes into here and locks it. That's it. Also, this reverse button, PSI, KPA, kilogram, cm2, whatever that means, bar, and PSI. That's what I'll be using for, because all my indicators on the tires in PSI here. This one says max PSI is 40. Okay, and we are 35 PSI. Let's release some and then refill it. Okay, now we are 33 PSI. Okay, preset. Let's do 35. Wow, that's fast. That was fast. Okay, I lowered it down to 30. Okay, preset 36. Let's do 35. Let's see how fast. Wow, that pumps up so fast. 32.5, 33. It's a big tire. It's a Suburban. And it fills up really fast. 34. Easy to remove it. Love it. Okay, when I'm all done, turn it off and put it all away. Candle by the hour, 80-hour candle. I really like how it looks like a spirals. Okay, looks like a beeswax. This one. See some bees on it. Wow, that's beautiful. Open this up. Nice, there's some letter about it, instructional. We'll lift up like this, and it will go into here, line up, plugs in like that. That is interesting. Wow. Grabbable like this, and it will catch the beeswax right here. So it will be pretty easy to clean it. And also the refills are available as well. It actually smells like beeswax. I'm a beekeeper. I used to have bees, so I know what the natural beeswax smells like, and it smells like beeswax. I like it. Burns really nice. There's a little candle. I love it. It is just a beautiful display, and also in case there's a power outage, I have a source of light. Just gotta constantly reset it every so often, but it is burning slowly. Nice candle. Laser level. batteries, instructional. Okay, comes with a tripod stand of some sort and magnet. Beautiful holster. There's a tripod screw. I'll bring my tripod out, see what it looks like. I do like this, like a nail or the magnet option as well, like a miniature tripod as well. So this is great to, I don't know, put indoors, construction, but especially good around the house to hang pictures and such. What is this? The batteries goes in here, plus, minus. There's a lock, so it won't turn off by itself. There's unlocks and it's self-leveling. So if it's too much on the side, it will blink. If it's flat, it'll be good. And if I lean it a little bit, it's self-leveling. Okay, I put it onto a tripod. Let's turn it on. And kind of floats a little bit. Self-leveling. Just got a random tripod. And depends where I wanna set the picture. I can just go lower or higher with the tripod. Beautiful. Self-level pretty quickly. And if it's too much to the side, maybe someone without tripod, to where it cannot self-level, it's quite nice. Sideways or forward, same thing. And for example, let's see how leveled our door. Looks pretty good. I think they did pretty good job. It looks pretty leveled. So that's some ideas how it could be used. Camping table. Let's see what it looks like. Comes with a holster and unfolds this way. The only assembly is flips it over this way and flips it over this way. This side here, super easy. It locks in into this line and here, and then locks in right here and here. Beautiful. So it's perfect side table for folding chair or sitting on the sand at the beach. Would be nice to lay some snacks, cut some meat, put some drinks on top of here, so that way it's sand free. Super easy to set it up. Beautiful. And to take it apart, it folds like this. Pops out right here. That's it. And then this comes off and this comes off, and then it slides into here. Boom. Windshield sunshade. So let's see. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. I'm in a Suburban, very big car. Okay. Locks in like this. Okay. Top, bottom. Slide over this way. All the way down. Beautiful. Close this. Close this. Okay, there you go. Wow, that is simple and easy. And my windshield is covered. That's beautiful. Now whenever I need to take it off, all I have to do is just lock it all up together. That's it. Super easy. Velcro strip and done. Doesn't take too much space. Beautiful.